Have you ever spent hours dusting only to see it come back the next day? Well, today I have the perfect homemade dust repellent solution to keep dust at bay longer without using harsh chemicals. It's easy, affordable, and safe for your family and pets. So stick around because we're about to make your home cleaner with just a few natural ingredients. First, let's talk about why dust seems to settle so fast. Dust is a mix of dead skin cells, fabric fibers, pet dander, and even pollen. Regular cleaning only removes it temporarily, but if we create an anti-static repelling surface, we can slow down dust buildup significantly. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Now let's get into making our all-natural, effective dust repellent spray. You'll need 1 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, natural disinfectant, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, helps trap dust and condition surfaces, 10 drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, for a fresh scent, 1 teaspoon of liquid Castile soap, optional but helps lift existing dust. A spray bottle. Pour the distilled water into a spray bottle. Add the white vinegar. Pour in the olive oil. Add essential oil for a pleasant scent. Shake well before each use. And just like that, you've made your own chemical-free dust repellent. To use, simply spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and wipe down surfaces like wooden furniture, shelves, and even baseboards. The olive oil helps repel dust while keeping surfaces nourished, and the vinegar cuts through grime. You can already see the difference. Not only is the surface clean, but the dust won't settle as quickly. Here are a few extra tips to keep dust out of your home. Use a HEPA filter in your vacuum cleaner to trap more dust. Wash your bedding weekly to remove dust mites. Keep windows closed on windy days to prevent outside dust from coming in. Use a damp microfiber cloth instead of dry dusters to trap dust rather than spread it. And there you have it, your very own DIY dust repellent. It's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and super effective. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY cleaning tips. Until next time, keep your home fresh and clean the natural way. See you soon.